This video showcases the tasks to establish the collaborative digital infrastructure that is required for a blended international hybrid learning, an infrastructure to support the European Joint Master in Digital Society, Social Innovation and Global Citizenship, DIGISOC.
The project EURIDICE, European Inclusive Education for Digital Society, Social Innovation, and Global Citizenship, funded by the European Health and Digital Executive Agency, HEIs, through the Digital Europe program is a strategic initiative which can be placed at the intersection of these trends.
The project involves universities, research centers, cultural institutions and SMEs. It aims to develop and launch a set of related international, highly interdisciplinary and innovative educational programs, whose objective is to train experts with the capacity to oversee the impacts of the digital transition in society and culture.
Key goals of the EURIDICE project, among many, are building multidisciplinary for social digital innovators, attracting qualified teaching staff and students, establishing sustainable and structured partnerships, upgrading digital solutions. Innovation is at the heart of EURIDICE. The development of a set of digital solutions for blended international hybrid learning, which will converge into what we call the Collaboratorium, the infrastructure of a new European Joint Master's Program in Digital Society, Social Innovation and Global Citizenship, DIGISOC.
DIGISOC is a collaborative, interdisciplinary, and international study program designed to train a new generation of highly qualified socio-digital innovators capable of leading and managing digital transformation processes in diverse societal contexts. It has been launched by 3 degree-awarding universities, the University of Naples Federico II, the University of Innsbruck and the Palacki University Olomouc. Students are enrolled at all degree-awarding universities but primarily attend courses at one of them. Courses are mainly held in hybrid mode. The Collaboratorium is the key infrastructure which makes DIGISOC a reality.
As a flagship initiative of EURIDICE, what DIGISOC does is to bring together students, mentors, and teachers in hybrid classrooms, collaborative spaces, intensive summer schools, involving all in a variety of learning processes, studying, making, researching, inquiring, which value relationships, places and spaces, resources and technological affordances. The ultimate educational aim is to create an active sense of community and well-being. To create an educational experience where student mobility is not a standalone activity, but becomes blended integrated into master study learnings, meetings, and working with student colleagues in a variety of sites.
We have designed and are currently testing an integrated solution combining various digital solutions within the same physical space replicated in the 3 locations, in order to provide a consistent experience for both students and teachers. OLAT has been adopted as the LMS, along with Design Toolkit and the laboratory space.
Imagine hybrid classrooms where the fluidity of digital communication seamlessly integrates with adaptable physical spaces, enhancing the possibilities for collaborative learning. Rediscovering and expanding upon the 3 archetypal learning spaces, the cave, the campfire, the watering hole, that schools uses as physical and virtual environments for the learning of both students and adults. The aim is to define a multifunctional space within which physical and virtual interactions can take place in several different settings.
Core principles and standards in digital education are content portability, data exchange and interoperability, cross-system communication and unified analytics, modular stacks and future-proof of data aggregation. The Hybrid Learning Design Toolkit is a research-informed design project created by learning experience designers to support educators in developing effective hybrid learning experiences. The toolkit is a conceptual synthesis that translates a wide range of research findings and theoretical frameworks into practical, actionable tools and handy resources. This toolkit is designed for educators and learning designers who are actively teaching or designing hybrid learning experiences.
The Implementation Levels cards helps you understand the 3 levels of hybrid teaching sophistication available across all dimensions of the Hybrid Learning Design Toolkit. Rather than prescribing a single correct approach, these levels acknowledge that effective hybrid teaching can happen at different depths of implementation based on your context, experience, and available resources.
Building cohesive learning communities across hybrid environments requires intentional activities designed to connect students regardless of their participation mode. The community building cards provide 25 structured activities organized by course timeline phases, addressing the unique challenge of creating unified community identity when learners participate from both physical and virtual spaces throughout the semester.
The Hybrid Learning Space Mapping Canvas is a comprehensive planning template that helps educators visualize and analyze their hybrid learning environment across 3 interconnected contexts: physical classroom, digital environment, and remote students contexts. This tool provides structured spaces for mapping concrete elements and analyzing how different forms of presence manifest across all learning spaces.
Drawing on multiple instructional design traditions, learning design methodologies, and empirical hybrid research, rapid prototyping, ICAP cognitive engagement framework, and studies documenting engagement disparities.
Our solution to guarantee interoperability for the start of DIGISOC is the adoption of OpenOLIT as open-source LMS. OpenOLIT, developed initially at the University of Zurich and now maintained by the OpenOLIT community, represents a significant player in the European educational technology landscape. Built on Java-based architecture, it provides core LMS functionalities, including course management, assessment tools, communication features, and content delivery mechanisms. The University of Innsbruck has tailored OpenOLIT, and it is now the LMS which is employed in the majority of its educational programs. The platform's open-source nature has made it particularly attractive for the needs of DIGISOC as a cost-effective solution while maintaining control over the learning infrastructure.
As educational paradigms continue to shift toward more personalized, competency-based, and innovative learning approaches, traditional LMS architectures face increasing scrutiny. DIGISOC. A diverse learning environment, innovative teaching methods, and international mobility.